Hi guys, what's up? This is Mahi. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we're going to talk about some beauty favorites, some beauty finds that I'm definitely restocking or buying this beauty sale from Amazon. So only a few hours are left in the beauty sale. So I'm quickly gonna wrap this up and edit and upload this for you because बहुत कम time बचा है. And I actually ordered a few items to film the video, so कुछ आ गए हैं but कुछ are still in the transit. So I just thought that I'll give you a few hours to buy some pieces on good prices. So let's start with the video. So we have a lot of products. इसमें से कुछ empties हैं that I'm definitely restocking. So let's start with that. The first thing that I want to talk about is actually this sunscreen spray. This one is by 52 Sundays and it's their SPF 50 plus UVA, UVB, PA double plus SPF mist. And this one has a rose fragrance, and this is so good for reapplying your sunscreen. This is amazing. Like the I'll show you what I'm saying, and you can of course apply it on your face and your body, but let me show you. And it doesn't ruin your makeup as well. And it has such fine spray, plus it smells amazing, and it's like totally worth the price you're paying. And the best part is this one is available on sale. Like we have a little discount available on this, so definitely get your hands on this. Like I wore this all the time in my recent trip to Goa, and it is completely worth the price because it smells amazing. Like you do smell like roses when you're applying it. So next thing that I want to talk about is another sunscreen spray. This is by Dot and Key, and this is their watermelon cooling sunscreen spray for your body. And this one is in like oil based, so this is really good if you're planning to go to swimming. So this one is water resistant, as you can see, like for 80 minutes. But I feel this is such a good product, plus in a really good price. And I personally love Dot and Key के जो sunscreens होते हैं. I would highly recommend. One thing that I did not like about this particular sunscreen was its smell. इसका स्मेल उतना अच्छा नहीं है, बट आई थिंक दे ट्राई टू मेक इट unscented, and I need some kind of scent in my product. But what I usually do is I apply it over my moisturizer. So usually moisturizer का ही smell आता है, and it just gives you the protection from sun. Pretty great. Next thing that I'm definitely restocking in the sale is this hair mask by Dove. ये पूरा खाली कर चुकी हूँ मैं, and this is a deep repair treatment, like 10 in 1 hair mask. So you have to use this weekly, and it actually softens your hair a lot. So मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है, and I just ordered it. It stays in my bathroom with me, and I love it. Next thing that I have repurchased, and it was available in like a good offer on the beauty sale, is this rice ceramide moisturizer by the Face Shop. And मेरे को बहुत पसंद है because it just gives me very smooth टेक्सचर, एंड स्पेशली ये रात को लगाना मुझे बहुत पसंद है. इट जस्ट लाइक काफ़ी सारा तुम मेकअप उतारते हो, एंड देन यू जस्ट अप्लाई दिस एंड sleep on it, and it does its magic. We all know that rice is such a good ingredient when it comes to your skin, and it actually helps to get me like a smoother and more plump wala skin. So I absolutely love it. नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट आई ऑर्डर्ड इज दिस मिसलर वाटर बाय बायोडर्मा. जब से मैंने ये यूज़ किया है, आई हैवंट गॉन बैक टू एनी अदर मिसलर वाटर, एंड आप देख सकते हो कि ऑलमोस्ट ख़त्म है, एंड इट वॉज ऑन अ रियली गुड डिस्काउंट ऑन अमेजोन. मतलब मुझे ये 1000 समथिंग का पड़ा है. यू गेट द sale prices on screen, and this is something I would highly recommend, because I think मेकअप डज नॉट हार्म योर स्किन. ओके, अगर तुम उसको अच्छे से रिमूव करके सो, बिल्कुल अपना फेस क्लीन करके सो, अदरवाइज इट विल एनीथिंग इफ यू लीव on your face for long, वो तुमको harm करेगा ही. So make sure that you're using like a good cleanser, and I do have sensitive skin, So this is like my go-to. This is something I cannot live without now, when it comes to removing my makeup. It's that good. Another thing that I wanted to talk about is this shower gel by Body Shop. So if there is one shower gel that I have to choose, like for life, I will choose this one because it smells like roses and not like in your nose roses. It's so beautiful and subtle. Like, I absolutely love the whole range of it, but this particular shower gel is my go-to, and this one is on sale right now, so you should definitely get your hands on it because it is so good. And then there's actually like तुमको इतना सा चाहिए होता है to make like a good foam all over your body if you're actually using a loofah. So I think this is such a steal that you're getting right now. So definitely check this one out. Like, this one is priced at 495, but you're getting it on 24% off, जो कि बहुत कम होता है बॉडी शॉप के प्रोडक्ट्स पे. एंड 375 में हमें मिल रहा है बस. एंड I absolutely love it. Next, two things that I have ordered for me are these. First is this Laneige lip balm. You know, guys, I'm obsessed with Laneige. I already have this sleeping mask from them, which I absolutely love. This one is in like vanilla fragrance. I wanted to try their sweet candy flavor, and it is actually so pretty. Like, look at the color. This has like a really nice, very light color pink pigmentation. I absolutely love it, and it's Laneige. It feels great on your lips. Like, I love it. I don't want to waste it, so I'm just gonna apply it over my lipstick. And because it's like a long lasting lip balm, it works great as a lip gloss also. You can see it has given me such good shine like over my lipstick. So this is something again I would highly recommend. नेक्स्ट थिंग विच आई वॉज वेरी एक्साइटेड अबाउट, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों को ये देख चुकी हूँ यूज़ करते हुए इंटरनेट पे, एंड आई गॉट इन्फ्लुएंस्ड एंड आई बॉट दिस. दिस इज डॉट एंड कीज टिंटेड सनस्क्रीन, एंड इनके आई थिंक 5 to 6 शेड्स आते हैं. एंड आई यूज्ड इट इन अ स्टोर, बट मैंने वहाँ पे अपना शेड जो try kiya tha, that was sand. Bought it from Amazon in a really good deal, so I'm very excited. So it's a sunscreen plus it's tinted, so whenever I'm not in a mood to wear makeup, so definitely gonna wear this. Oh nice, मैंने हर जगह इसको. Let's see, this is the shade that we have. I think it will match my skin um the best. Wow guys, इतना अच्छा इसका टेक्सचर है ना. लाइक एक्चुअली बस मैंने इसको, वाओ द टेक्सचर इज अमेजिंग. बोला ना, मैंने तुम्हें बोला ना कि मुझे डॉट एंड की सनस्क्रीन इतनी पसंद है, एंड दिस वन हैज लाइक अ रियली नाइस टिंट टू इट. आई कांट वेट टू अप्लाई it on my face like in daytime, but this seems really good, and this is like 50 PA plus 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 plus, so all the good things. So this was everything that I wanted to share about what I shopped from the beauty sale on Amazon. As again कुछ चीज़ें आ गई थी तो मैंने दिखा दी, but कुछ चीज़ें on the way है, but बहुत कम टाइम बचा है सेल का, इसीलिए I wanted to film this for you. And you know the drill, everything is linked in the description box below, so make sure that you check it out, and happy shopping. I'll see you in the next one.